The next we are going to learn this kanji. This kanji have the reading of onyomi bu, and it has the meaning of section or burials that has. But what you have to remember is mean section or some part, right? Bu. Copy, party, portion. Now let's see some sample. Buka, buka, subordinate person, subordinate person. Zenbu, zenbu, all, entire, whole. Butai, butai, force, unit, corps. Shikobu, shikobu, executive, shikobu, executive. Shilebu, shilebu, headquarters, headquarters. Heya, heya is mean room or chamber. For the sound of ya is mean is for the sound of he is mean this is the special sound, so you have to remember. Actually, you have the sound of bu, this kanji, but he is mean it is the special sound, so you have to remember. For specially, this word is mean is have the sound of heya is mean room. For example, watashi no heya is mean my room. Watashi no heya wa doko desu ka? Where is my room? Something like this. Anata no heya wa doko ni arimasu ka? Where is